the continuation of the previous class. The second problem, find the sums. Find the sums given below. First one, 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus so on 84. Now we have to find the sum of these numbers. So here it is the first term, second term, third term, but we don't know the nth term. 84 is the nth term. First of all, we have to find the number of terms exist in the arithmetic progression. First of all, we have to find the number of terms in the arithmetic progression. For this one, given here, the first term is 7. This is T1. This is equal to T1. T2 is equal to 10 and half. 10 and half means 21 by 2. Common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 means 21 by 2 minus 7. LCM is 2. 21 minus 14. So that is 7 by 2. D is equal to 7 by 2. So now I am taking AN is equal to 84. The nth term is 84. So AN means A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 84. A means 7 plus N minus 1 into D. D means 7 by 2 is equal to 84. N minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7. So N minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 77. So N minus 1 is equal to 77 into 7 by 2. It become 2 by 7. 7 ones are 7 11s are. N minus 1 is equal to 22. N is equal to 22 plus 1. N is equal to 23. So the number of terms 23. Now we have to find the sum of the n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S13, sum of the 13 terms. Okay, 23. So 23 by 2, 2a. 2 into a means 7 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 23 minus 1. D means 7 by 2. So that is S23 is equal to 23 by 2, 14 plus 22 into 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So S23 is equal to 23 by 2, 14 plus 77. That is equal to S23 is equal to 23 by 91. So S23 is equal to, so 23 into 91, 2093 by 2. So sum of the 23 terms is equal to 2093 by 2. The second problem, 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus 1 plus 10. Here A is equal to 34, T2 is equal to 32. So common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. So that is 32 minus 34. So that is a minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. Let AN is equal to 10. AN means A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 10. A means 34 plus N minus 1 into D. D means minus 2 is equal to 10. So N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 34. N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 24. N minus 1 is equal to minus 24 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 12s are. N minus 1 is equal to 12. N is equal to 12 plus 1. N is equal to 13. N is equal to 13. So now we have to find the sum of the 13 terms. So here Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S13 means 13 by 2, 2a, 2 into 34 plus 13 minus 1 into d, d means minus 2. So that is 13 by 2, here 8, 68 plus 12 into minus 2. So that is 13 by 2, 68 minus 24. That is equal to 13 by 2 into 34. 44. 68 minus 24 means 44. 2 ones are 2 22s are. That is 286. So sum of the 13 terms is equal to 286. So third one, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus 1 plus minus 230. So here A is equal to T1 is equal to minus 5 and T2 is equal to minus 8. Common difference is equal to T2 minus T1, that is minus 8 minus of minus 5, that is minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. So first of all we have to find n value. An is equal to minus 230. An means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 230. A is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into D, D means minus 3 is equal to minus 230. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 230 plus 5. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 225. That is n minus 1 is equal to minus 225 by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21. 5s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 75. N is equal to 75 plus 1. N is equal to 76. 76 terms. Now we have to find the sum of the 76 terms. Sn is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S76 is equal to 76 by 2 into 2a, 2 into minus 5 plus 76 minus 1 into d, d means minus 3. So that is S76 is equal to, here 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6, 8 into minus 10 plus 75 into minus 3. That is S76 is equal to 38 minus 10 minus 225. That is equal to S76 is equal to 38 into minus 235 minus 8930. Next to third bit. In an AP, first one given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Find N and Sn. Find N and Sn. So given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3 and AN is equal to 50. From this we have to find the n value. Later we have to find the Sn. AN means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 50. A means 5 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50. D is equal to 3, A is equal to 5. So n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50 plus 5 become minus 5. N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. N minus 1 into n minus 1 is equal to 45 by 3. N minus 1 is equal to 15. N is equal to 15 plus 1. N is equal to 16. Now we have to find the S16. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, 16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus n. N is 16 minus 1. D 3. That is equal to 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 5s are 10. 15 into 3. That is equal to 8. 10 plus 45. That is equal to 8. That is 55. So 55 into 8, 44. So 4 40. Next is second problem. Given a is equal to 7, a13 is equal to 35. Find D and S13. So here given a is equal to 7 and a13 is equal to 35. We know the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So from this a13 means a plus 13 minus 1 into d is equal to 35. A is equal to 7 plus 12d is equal to 35. So 12d is equal to, bring 7 from left side to right side, 35 minus 7. So 12d is equal to 28. D is equal to 28 by 12. So D is equal to 2 6 2 14s 2 3s 2 7s. So 7 by 3. D is equal to 7 by 3. Now we have to find S13. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2. 2 into a. A means 7 plus n minus 1. 13 minus 1 into 7 by 3. That is S13 is equal to 13 by 2. 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are. That is 13 by 2. 14 plus 28. 7 4s are 28. That is 13 by 2 into 42. So 2 1s are 2 21s are. So 21 into 13. 3 6 21. 3 7 2. So 273. S13 is equal to 273.